When you're dealing with zombies,
It's always a challenge.
Meg and Milo are going to eat some brains. But these aren't your everyday delicious brains. There's a secret ingredient in every skull. And the challenge is to figure out what it is. Round 1, ginger versus black licorice.
Mine's just a straight up avocado. Like it's not even in
really?
Jello form.
I'm gonna keep my eyes closed because looking at it trips me up. It's definitely black licorice.
Is it ginger?
Round 2, horseradish versus onion.
There's a
It smells
distinct
so...
smell coming off. I think it's yours.
I think it's mine too.
Mine looks pretty. Yours looks moldy.
Is this like mashed potatoes? That macaroni and cheese.
A beet? Horseradish, come on.
That's horseradish!
That's disgusting. That's disgusting. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna steal your point. Is that cool with you?
Yeah, it's
Okay,
fine.
cool. Onion?
It's an onion?
It tastes good.
No. Literally gonna throw up everywhere.
Oh, me too. Oh, I spoke too soon.
You did? Ew, it's an onion!
Round 3, tuna fish versus pickles.
This looks
This
disgusting. I feel
legit-
so bad for you right now. This looks so bad.
Yours actually looks kind of good, but it's
I'll go
probably
right
not.
now. I'll go right now.
No.
I really just have no gut. Like, salt is just so gross.
Okay.
I'm gonna stand back while you do this.
Okay. It's very... it's very salty. Is it like gravy? Well, there's a lot of juice around it.
Why would you say that?
Oh, whoa. It's my...
All right,
It's my second.
please get it wrong. Don't make that noise with your mouth. Ew, it's gross.
Is it like green olives?
Yes! Did I win already? I'm gonna try to top my win. Pickles.
Pickles?
Yes!
I can steal.
I'm scarred for life, man. Oh. This is so gross.
Shrimp?
I got it.
What is it?
Is it tuna? Yeah! Ah! I'm so good at this
That
game.
was tuna?
Oh,
I stuck my face in that. Ah!
I won!
You won. He's not
I'm
the
winner.
one.
Let's go.
That is so nasty.
We challenge you.
To watch zombies on Disney Channel. I can never untaste that. It's nasty.
Ah.
Wait.